Welcome to my channel. My name is Valentina Saricheva, and in this video I'll show you how to easily create a looping feather animation. This is a time-lapse of the feather drawing process. I used 3 main brushes from the Procreate brush library. To achieve a bright and interesting color, I use gradient map. I really like this color combination. It adds depth and soft glow. Now let's move to Procreate Dreams to create the animation. Here I show the animation duration settings that we are going to use. We import the finished artwork from Procreate into Procreate Dreams. We can see a white background around the artwork. To remove it, we create a new layer and fill it with black. Duplicate the track, open the artwork and create another layer. Then fill it with black as well. We won't be able to modify the feather until and all layers are merged. So we can back and merge all layers into one. Now we can see that the warp tool is active. At this stage you can experiment with the feather's shape and movement to create smooth animation. Using the warp tool, we can adjust the width or thickness as we like. A very important point, the first and last keyframes must be identical. I copy the first keyframe and place it at the end. This way we get a seamless looping animation. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next videos. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything.